Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm Karina.
I'm Rosemary, and today we're going to be doing the 100 Chicken Nugget Challenge. We have 10 minutes to try to finish eating 100 nuggets. As you can see, we have our nuggets here and our sauces with our water bottles. So we're going to try eating the 100 chicken nuggets under 10 minutes. And Karina's going to be timing us.
Heck yeah, I am.
Alright, ready?
Set. Go.
Right. 1, 2,
We're a minute in.
barely at 2.
3. You my turn?
Mine 2.
I heard that's the third.
No, this is my second.
Well, I lost count.
I don't want my 4th, 3rd. Oh, just a disclaimer. Won't be wasting these chicken nuggets. We have friends, family. They would be eating the rest. Maybe.
We don't even eat fast food.
True. I know when I'm on. Lost track.
I probably like I'm on like 8, 7.
Man.
I'm 5.
Okay.
Dude, this challenge is easy.
You can see your phone.
Oh, whoops.
No mind.
We're finishing this in 10 minutes. I don't know, but
Yeah.
we're gonna be up there.
You can see your phone. Oops. Sorry.
What's the weirdest smell you have ever smelled?
Karina.
Tickles poop.
Okay. Probably. At school. No, at work. You smelled a lot of weird odors.
What's the most imaginative insult you can come up with?
To each other? Damn, girl, why you look like my grandma? That wasn't really insulting, but whatever.
I mean, you hate my grandma.
No, I don't. Puro love.
I think something just cracked in this freaking chicken nugget. I need to put this out. I was trying to see if I could see it.
I'm sorry.
No, actually
Well,
on the camera.
I'm sorry, but I was trying to see if I could see it. My bad. My bad to my viewers. My bad to my 1 million viewers.
We're at 5 minutes. As you can see. Hold up. 5 minutes.
Sorry, my screen is dirty. She dirty.
We're probably not even half way. But we're getting there.
I thought this challenge was gonna be easier.
Dang.
It's like it's chicken nuggets.
Next question is, what's the weirdest thing a guest has done at your house?
A weird gas.
Cried when my mom was sleeping, but my mom didn't even feel it.
No, they're about to have sex in the bathroom.
Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, yes.
Drunk people.
I just hear someone yell, "Wear a condom!" I was like,
I was not a part of this. I was asleep.
I was wide awake.
Next question.
What are some of the nicknames you have for your customers or coworkers?
None.
We have a team named called Smokies. Does that count?
Oh my god, yes! Our utensil team. It's called Smokies. Because our driver is a smoker. chewing. If you're watching this, hello. How many minutes do we have left? Oh my god, 2, yep.
30 seconds left. Dude, my stomach hurts.
I don't think I can eat another one in 30 seconds. So,
It's nasty. I'm not gonna be eating chicken nuggets for a long time.
Catherine, do you want one?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
You're so
4, 3,
Hey, you can't know what?
1.
As you can tell, they have failed the challenge.
We have failed the challenge.
So, after this, I probably won't eat chicken nuggets for a while.
We should count how much we have.
No, never.
Well, this was a challenge.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. We post a new video every Thursday and comment down below for any video ideas you guys would like us to do. Turn on your post notification bells so it can notify you when we drop a new video. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.